Well, we gotta start the video now.
Okay, so we have 10 minutes of making, so it's pretty good.
Okay, so are we gonna start this?
Yes.
Let's start now?
Okay, then we
start
it
now!
The night owls together.
Okay.
And then she says, "I'm the only bird." Okay. Hi. Hello. We are.
Welcome to the first episode of
The Night
Owls
and the Early Bird. That's right. It is a vlog. Okay, and we're gonna explain a little bit why we're called that. Well, they are, they're known for staying up very late, and I'm the complete opposite.
Night owls.
Complete opposite. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning, and I'm the early bird.
I don't know how she's big right now.
No.
It's like
I am
skin
running
30 right now.
This is
Roxy.
I'm Edie.
Becca.
Right on, right on. And these
My
are
baby.
We have some questions ready for you guys because episode 1 is called Getting to Know the Birds. We each prepared a question, and we're gonna pass it to the person to our right. Okay.
But she's gonna pass it to me, right?
Yeah. So go ahead. Let's do this. Okay, Roxy, you're first.
Alright, great. Becca's question was, what was your first thought when you met us? Okay.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay.
That's a good one.
This might take a while though, because I met Becky actually twice. Oh yeah, I met you twice also.
Yeah.
Okay, well. So, so I met Rebecca at this party, but I was sitting there and I wasn't paying attention to anything, but I found her shoes and they were red.
She was like, "I love your shoes," and I was like, "Oh, thank you," and then she was just like, gone.
My question is, if you could live in any place in the world, where would you live? Okay, that's a good question. Hands down, I live in South Korea. Okay, they have these, like, those machines.
Is that where Gangnam Style?
That's where Gangnam Style originated. We all want to go there. Gangnam Style.
My question is, it says, if you could be an animal, what would you be and why? I'd be a cat, because I'm lazy. I like being lazy, and I like to eat a lot and be petted.
She loves to be petted. She pets people.
Yeah,
she pets me all the time.
She hates it.
She always pats me on the back and I go, okay.
It's like, it's okay,
dude. I'm like, no! Oh, we recently watched Les Miserables.
Oh, yes.
If you haven't seen it yet, you should watch it because you will come out singing it. Okay, we've been
3 hours though.
3 hours.
They cried and
no, she didn't cry. I was the one that cried.
My eyes watered. I cry in a lot of weird movies. I cried in I think in Star Wars Episode 3. Episode 3, I cried and I did. Me and my mom both. We're the only ones who cried.
Well then,
I'm not gonna lie. I cried in Batman 3 times. I watched it, and then when I watched the special features, I cried again.
She cried again.
I cried in Brave.
In Brave.
Oh yeah. I didn't understand that, but whatever.
I like cartoons. This is so hard to understand.
Well, I cried in Toy Story.
Toy Story. Oh,
but that one kills you. I mean, you have to like not be human to not cry in that movie. Hope you enjoyed this.
Hope you enjoyed 2
Night Owls.
Night Owls.
And the Early Bird.
Woo!
Have a good night.
And watch those movies.
We had fun.